All right, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on the C major scale and make it super simple so that you understand and that you learn, especially if you're an extreme beginner and you don't know what the heck's going on. So this is going to be a super duper easy tutorial. I'm going to give you the C scale. I'm going to give you the notes and the degrees in that scale. And then I'm going to give you the chords that fit within that scale. Let's start with the C major scale. So the C major scale consists of C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to the C, and then it starts over. Those are all the notes. Now, those are called notes. We could call them degrees, though. So we can use them as, and this, later on, you'll understand this better, but calling them degrees or calling them numbers is going to be so much beneficial to you in the long term. Because you'll be able to transpose and play your favorite songs in any key that you like because you understand them as numbers. So the C is the one in the C major scale. The C is the one, okay? The D is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 1/8, however you look at it. All right, now the chords that fit within this C major scale are as follows. Okay, I'm gonna give you the root inversion of this. Now you got C, you could play the first inversion or the second inversion, but we're not gonna go there yet. Okay, we're just gonna keep it at the root. Okay, so your first chord within the C major scale is C, which consists of C, E, G, right? And then your second is D minor, it's D, F, A. Your third is E minor, which is E, G, B. Your fourth is F, A, C. Okay. Your fifth is a G chord, G, B, D. Your seventh is an A minor, okay? A, C, E. And then your seventh is, no matter what you play, what major scale you play in, the seventh will always be diminished. See, look, boom, diminished. B. So B, D, F. That's a diminished chord. So if you play in the key of A flat, for example, the seventh note is this G, right? So a G chord is right here. And for this to work within the A flat scale, right, we need to play a diminished chord because it's the seventh note, and the rule is that it becomes diminished at that point. So all it is a G, and then your two fingers move down a half note. So anytime you want to play a diminished chord, it just moves down a half note, your two fingers. That's it. All right, so back to the lesson. So all right, so that's the C major scale with its chords. You understand the degrees now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now let's give you the seventh notes within the C major scale. So it's going to be very simple here. Okay, so we're going to keep that C major, right? The 1, and all we're going to do to get the seventh note for C is just add this B. So now we have a C major 7. Okay. Now the second one is a D minor 7. How do we get the seventh? We just add the C. Okay. Third is an E minor 7. How do we get the seventh? You just add that D right there. Okay, the fourth is the F major 7. What do we do? Add this E. This is the fifth. What do we do on the fifth? We're going to add this F. Now we got a G7. Okay, now we're to our A minor chord. Add this G right here, and then you'll get A minor 7th. And then we're to our diminished chord, and just add this A, and you get B minor 7 flat 5. I love this chord. I use this chord as a passing chord to get to my 6, which is the A minor. But we'll talk about that later. So now you have C major scale. You have the root notes. You have the degrees, the numbers, right? And now you have the chords you can play within the C major scale. And now you have 7 notes, 7th chords in the C major scale that you could play. So pause the video, go over that stuff, and start to understand it better and start to play those specific chords. Okay, now let's move to the C minor scale. Okay, now C minor scale. Okay, I like this scale. C minor scale consists of C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and back to the C. Okay, so again, okay, so now you have the notes within the C minor scale. Now, what are the degrees? It's the same thing. So just walk it down: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then back to the 1. Okay, so those are the degrees. Now, what chords fit within those degrees in the C minor scale? Okay, the C minor scale is as follows with the chords. The first one is a C minor, which is a C, E flat, and G. The second one is a diminished chord. In this case, it's a D, F, and A flat. Now, the same rule applied in the major scale, right? How I said the 7th note will be diminished in the major scale. The same thing applies with the minor scale. The second note will always be diminished. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, right? So remember we said, yeah. So this is a D chord, right? A full D chord. Just move the 2 notes down a half step, and then now you have your diminished. Okay, let's move on. So that's your D chord in the C minor scale. Now your third is the E flat, and that is E flat, G, B flat. Your fourth is an F minor. Okay, F, A flat, C. Your fifth is a G minor, G, B flat, D. And then your sixth is a flat. Okay, that's an A flat, C, and E flat. And then you have your B flat. Okay, B flat, D, and F. Okay, now you have the chords that fit within the minor scale. Let's quickly look at the 7th notes. And this should be very easy because now you have your chords, your foundation, and now we just got to add the 7th. So let's go back to the 1, which is a C minor, okay? Now the 7th note that we're going to add is this, okay? And that becomes a C minor 7. Now let's look at our D diminished, okay? The 7th note will be adding the C, and then the 3rd is this E flat. We're just going to add the D, and then the 4th is the the F minor. All we're going to do is add this E flat. Then we have our G minor. All we're going to do is add the F, and then we have our A flat. All we're going to do is add the G, and then we have our B flat, and we're just going to add the A flat. So there you go. You have the C major scale and the C minor scale, and you have the degrees within the scale, you have the notes within the scale, and you have the chords and the 7th chords within this scale.